Hi, in today's video, I want to talk about how you can get your views so that you work towards your 4,000 watch hours and then you get monetized. Yeah, there are different ways people go about getting views and getting monetized. And some of these ways are actually they give them problem, but they don't come out to say. Before you start making use of secret apps to get monetized, or you start using Restream or any of those streaming apps, I want you to make your findings. I have done mine, and that's why I'm sharing the outcome with you. Now, does Restream actually give people 4,000 watch hours and give it fast? Yes, it does. From the findings I've made from people who have used it, people who have used Restream to get monetized said it works. And of a truth, it works because we see them say that it works and they get monetized, right? But the thing is that they come out, they celebrate how they got the 4,000 watch hours, how they are monetized and all that. But they don't come back to tell you, majority of them don't come out to tell you the problem they face behind the scene. So from the research I made, I came out with the findings, and I'm sharing with you so that in you're getting your views and getting monetized, you make the right decisions, right? Good. Now, one of the problem is that they get the subscribers, but the subscribers is not really working for them. Do you understand? You know, when your subscribers are not functioning, something like that. So they have, you see them have 6,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, and then they put these exceptional videos out there, and at the end of the day they are getting 100 views, 50 views. How will you get 10,000 subscribers and in a day you are getting 50 views from it? Come on. And it's not that their videos are not awesome. They have beautiful videos with values, but you see, is the subscribers that they got from those methods are not getting the content that they use in attracting them to their channel, if I will say it that way. Now, the second thing they face is that algorithm gets confused. So they end up saying algorithm hates them, algorithm is not working well for them and all that. But it's not like algorithm hates them. It's just that they get the algorithm confused, They put out videos and algorithm distribute to their subscribers, and their subscribers just, turn the other way when they see their videos. And an algorithm itself is even saying, what is happening? So this is it. Now, the other thing they face is that they have problems with YouTube. The problem is that YouTube gives some of them strikes. You know how YouTube works. You get monetized, you celebrate, and after a while they come and say, no, you've not done it well, take down that video, and then the people who they use their content see that they are monetized and they are making some money, and they come to put some claims on their content. That is the problem. So what do you do in getting your views and getting your 4,000 watch hours? I have some things lined up for you to do. We can do this together. It works, yeah? Number one, ensure that you are making use of your content. You know what your channel is all about. You know the niche your channel is about. The videos that you put out there for your viewers, you know what it's about. Make content out of it and then stream them. Do you understand what I'm saying? Make good clips from it so that you can own your content. Now, I understand there are some niche that might not really have that kind of content that will pull the number of views that you want. Then, alternatively, when you're getting content outside there, wherever you're getting your content from, make sure that those contents, you own them. You own them in the sense that you put your own effort in it. You don't just do copy and paste. When you get those contents, before you stream them, before you put them out there, own them, work on it, put your own effort in the content so that it will be part of you. Do you understand? So that it will be something that the kind of subscribers that you need can resonate with. I understand, you understand. So do it that way. Now, the next thing is this. Make sure that, excuse me, you build your own subscribers organically before you decide to do any of the streaming thing. Make sure that you have your own subscribers. Do you understand? So that when you're getting subscribers out from there, even if they don't like the long form of videos you're doing, what your niche, your core niche content is about, you still have your organic subscribers that will still be viewing your videos after you get monetized. Do you understand what I said? I know you do. Now, the last thing is make use of YouTube streaming platform. YouTube also have their own streaming platform, you know it. So make use of it. It works. I've used it once. Yeah, before this video, I've used it once. And I like the feedback. So you might want to consider using the YouTube streaming platform. You can do the silent live streaming. You can do the live streaming. So anyone that resonates with you, do that too. It will also help you towards getting your views and your 4,000 watch hours. And lastly, give it time. Give it time. It will work. YouTube is all about time, you know. It's a marathon, the long way. So give it time. You'll definitely get your views and get your 4,000 watch hours fast if you do it and do it the right way. Thank you for staying behind. Like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.